more. We're going to 100,000. How do I know this is 100,000?
Because it has it. Oh, it's 100. It has the 100.
It has 100 in the down.
How about 0, 0?
Okay, let's see. What place is this?
1, 10, 100.
Wait, you forgot something?
Comma.
100. And then, look, 100, 1,000. Remember that comma. The comma doesn't always mean thousands, but it indicates here that it is 1,000 because of the place value. If the comma was over here, what would that be?
Million.
Million. Good job, Chris. All right. We are going to represent comparison using our symbols. Less than, greater than, equal to. So far, so good?
Yes.
Okay. Now today, we're going to do that by looking at the place value, and we're going to be using the symbols. Yesterday, we did a little bit of both. We did number lines. Today, we're going to be looking at the place value. Y'all did a pretty good job yesterday with the ordering numbers. Only thing that I did notice was that we were getting confused with should we still compare the same number even though we already put it aside? And I'll talk to you what that means. But I want you to do next, and I want you to do this quickly. And
Is that your song?
hold on. Is everybody here today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you for being so patient while I take attendance.
I look like a Mickey Mouse.
Okay, this is what I want you to do very quickly. Take out, when I say now you will take out your board and a marker. If you do not have a marker, please raise your hand because wait a minute, I haven't said no you. Oh, wait. Remember that you have to wait for my indication because what if I say do that and then I just tell you to do something else and while you're doing it, you're not paying attention anymore, right? Okay. Let's do it again. I would like for you to take out. Are you on it? I would like for you to take out your board, get your marker, and when you are ready, I need a big thumbs up. Now, I'm looking to see who already did some of it. I'm also looking to see who will be the first table that will get a point. Now, if you already have your stuff out, I'm not going to give you a point because that's cheating. That means you were not listening. And that doesn't work. Okay? Questions?
No.
That's all you're doing. Now you. Why did you go do that? I said if you need a marker, you need to raise your hand. I don't want you going over there and getting markers. Some of y'all pick the markers that don't work over there. Okay, I'm gonna give this point out to the green group because I like the way they were quietly doing it too. Good job, thank you. All right, now I want you to write these numbers down. Oh, sorry. I want you to write these numbers down on your board. Make sure that you leave some room. So both of the numbers can fit.
Can you scoot it over to the number 5?
Oh, sorry. Yes, ma'am.
And Lindsay needs a board. I need a board as well.
Guys, you need to raise your hand when I ask y'all to.
I did it too
When you don't have materials, you need to raise your hand. Make sure you keep this in your desk. Okay? Okay, once you have those two numbers, give me a thumbs up.
I already know the answer. So I show you the marker.
Okay, what I want you to do next is I want you to talk about the relationship between these two. Now remember, a relationship, una relación, ¿qué significa eso?
In relationship, they're both toxic.
They have something that they're the same.
No, a relationship es una relación. If I have a relationship with Ana, that means that I communicate, like she said, I communicate with her. But there's something that we have in common, right? Good morning. There's something that we have.
Best friends.
Yeah, but I can also, I can have a friend that's not my best friend, but I still have a good relationship with them, right? We have stuff in common, right? What I want you to do is, I want you to talk to your partner about what is something that, a relationship that these two numbers have. What do they have in common? Or what do they not have in common? Talk to your partner. Go. Chicken, chicken. Let's try that again. Chicken, chicken. Josh said again the chicken, chicken. Let's try it again. Chicken, chicken. And I have all eyes on me. Awesome. Okay, now, I heard great conversations. Who would like to share something that you talked to about with your partner? Addis.
That they both have 56.
They both have a 56 in the front, okay? I'm going to agree with you. Do y'all agree with her?
Yeah.
I think so too. Yes, Chris.
The 56, the both, they're the thousands and the 10,000.
Oh, the 56, the number 56, they're in the thousands and the 10,000s. Good looking out. Good job. Anything else? What else do you notice?
They're the same numbers.
They're the same numbers? Which ones?
56 and 56.
Oh, the first beginning, yes, that's what Addis said. You're right. Anything else? Agustin?
The 1 and the 8 are different.
Okay, and why are you comparing the 1 and the 8? How are they similar?
The 1's place.
Why did you get the 1 and the 8? Why are you comparing those two?
Because they're not common.
They're not common. What else though? Why did you say the 1 and the 7 or the 1 and the 5? I'm asking Agustin. I'm asking Agustin. Hold it. Yes, you do. I want you to think a little bit more. Okay? Look at where they're at.
Wait.
Do you see where this one's at in the number? Do you see where this one's at in the number? Where are they? Hold on. They're both in the hundreds. You do know. You see? Don't say I don't know. When you do know. Good job. Good try. Okay. Now, we saw some of the numbers. We compared them. We saw the relationship. Can we say which one is greater than and which one is less than?
Yes.
Yes.
Huh? Talk about with your partner. What do you think? Don't write anything down, but I want you to tell me which one is greater, which one is less.
This one's more bigger. Good luck.
Three, two, one. Which one is greater? Gabby?
The 56,805.
How did you know that was greater?
Because the 1 times in hundreds because the difference is that 8 is bigger than 1 and 7 is greater.
Okay, I like how you corrected her because yeah, we're mathematicians here, right? So we need to talk like mathematicians. Now, why did you look at the hundreds place? Why didn't you look at this place value?
Because they're both the same number.
Because they're both equal. If they weren't, would we compare those?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, you did mention something that you said the 8 is greater than the 1, right? But then you went ahead and went to the next place value. Should we compare the next place value? No, because we already compared that one, and we know that one. If they were the same, then we would go to the next place. Okay, now, I want to put a number here. I want to introduce them to a new friend. But it can't be just any friend. It has to be a friend that fits right here.
It's less than that. It's bigger than that number, but less than that number.
Oh, let's say that again. Let's see the numbers. 56,000. 173 is what? Is less than this number, right? The mystery number, the new friend that we're going to
The
introduce.
question mark.
But this number is what? Greater than. Can we say this number?
56,508
is greater than the mystery number. Does that make sense?
Oh,
So could we write symbols in there?
Yeah.
What symbol would go here?
That will go less than.
The less one.
Less than like this?
No.
Greater.
Yes.
Yeah, like that. Let me do a little bit. What about this one right here? What would
That
this
would be the greatest.
greater than like this?
Yeah.
No.
No, because that means that remember the big mouth is going to be in the middle. That's not okay. It should be like this. So this number is. Remember how I told y'all about between when we were talking about what were we talking about? Place values? No, number lines. How I said between it has to be right in the middle. It has to be greater than one number but less than the other because it's in order, right?
Has to be greater than 56,173 and built lesser than 56,805.
But less than.
Wait, this would
Okay, your job is to make up a friend that can be introduced right in the middle. Not any friend could fit in here. Think of a friend that we can put right in the middle. And then I'm going to ask you why. So think about that.
a number.
You may work with your partner. You're putting a number here that would fit in this friendship. Yes.
Number? All the way down to the
Hold on, guys.
all the way down to the 100 piece, all of the numbers are different.
Yes. All of these up to the 100 place are all different. Good notice. Okay? Now, you're making up a number that could go in the middle. Talk to your partner. What could be in the middle? Go.
What could be in the middle?
Otra vez. Bueno, okay, right here. Why that number?
It has to be bigger than this number. When is your birthday?
I have two guards. I have one guard in the first. I have two guards.
I might ask you later, okay? What's your game?
I have 56,000.
I got 56,204. Okay, number 2. What is it?
This one has to be that one.
If you can hear me, clap 4 times. Thank you. I'm very proud of y'all. Some of y'all are really, I'm noticing, I know I cut y'all off, but we have to move on a little bit faster. I am seeing a lot of math talking, math conversations. I'm liking this. Okay, what did y'all think of? What can go right here? Let's see. You want to go first, Sebastian? You haven't talked today. Now, you know what I'm going to ask next. What am I going to ask?
Why?
Why? Why did you choose that number?
Because the number in the middle needs to be greater than the...
So, okay, so we know that there's 5 and a 6, a 5 and a 6. I noticed that you did the same pattern here, right? A 5 and a 6. Could I write maybe a 5 and a 7? Could I write 5 and a 7 right here?
No.
Why not?
Because the other number needs to be greater.
Oh, so this number has to be greater. Okay, so far we're good. We all got 56,000. Give me a thumbs up if you're first, if the 10,000s and the thousands, you put a 5 and a 6. Give me a thumbs up. I want to see who did it. The middle number has a 5 and a 6. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now, can you explain to me a little bit more how you got the next number, Sebastian? This number right here. How did you come up with that? What are you comparing them to? Yeah, you can only compare it to the 100, guys. You cannot, it's not fair. It's like if I'm comparing a 3rd grader with a 5th grader. Is that fair? I can say, oh, a 5th grader is taller than Gabby. But is that fair? No, because they're different and they're in different grades. Same here.
Maybe you can say, let's see, Claudia.
I could probably say here because y'all are the same age here. Then that would be fair. But
Not the same age, but the same height.
That's what I meant. Same height. Okay? So now we can compare. So let's put, can I put them in order? Can I put the hundreds in order? That's a 1. And that's an 8. What number could I put here?
We put a 5.
Could I put a 2?
Yes.
Could I put a 3?
Yes.
Could I put a 4?
Yes.
5?
Yes.
6?
Yes.
7?
Yes.
8?
No.
Yes.
Yes, I could, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. What about a 9? No, not anymore. I could put an 8 here, guys, because this is 56,805, right?
Oh.
So the next number could have been maybe like a 0 and a 1, because that's still less than that, huh?
No, because it has to be less than it.
What if I wrote this number? That's what I'm saying. Could I write that number in the middle?
Yes.
Why?
Because it has
it's
4 less
greater
than
than
the
this
5.
one at least.
Less.
The 1's this.
Good job. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
What kind of number? Let me see what other numbers y'all wrote. Let's see. That table, what did y'all write?
We put 56,599.
Okay. What did y'all do over here? What number did y'all choose? Can I put yours up, Jose? Okay. 56,539. Does it have to be exactly this number?
No.
We can have different kind of, we can have introduce different friends in this friendship. But they have to follow the same pattern. Yes.
But there has to be something in common.
Exactly. There's
I
that.
did 56,569.
569. All right, we're going to stop here. I'm going to give you some practice. Then we are going to go into our stations, okay? This practice, once you're done, give me a thumbs up. I'll come around and I'll check it. I'll check it for you, okay? Anybody have any questions on what we're doing today? This is very, very easy. You should be able to get it done quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We erased.
I finished it already. I was finished, but it doesn't work. I didn't even have it. I didn't have it, but I have finished.
Oh, put up your markers and your boards, please. And get to work.
I'll get the system.